YouTube? It's your girl Alicia Lush, and I'm back to y'all with another lit video. If y'all new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, fam. What's up? What's going on, y'all? So today, y'all see what your girl got right here, right now? We have some blue crabs, y'all. Blue crabs. I put some Old Bay on top. I cooked these actually at my home girl house the other day. And yeah, I got some cocktail sauce right here. As y'all can see, cocktail sauce, and we about to get straight into it. I got an egg as well. So yes, y'all, I was at my home girl house the other day, and I did not eat my crabs, so I brought them home. Let me say my blessing, because I'm tripping. So here we go. Okay, y'all, so let's get right into these crabs. Y'all, this ring light is pretty bright in my freaking face. And then the light on my camera is actually on as well, like the flashlight. I don't know why I got it on as well. But y'all, today I have this for my shells, and I'm gonna put it over here because I need to be able to reach this bowl to put my shells up in there. But y'all, look at these blue crabs. I'm gonna hold it over the bowl because I don't want that juice to be all on my floor. Y'all, look at the blue crab. Okay. And it's dripping juice, y'all. Look at that. But y'all, we better get straight into it, honey. Let's. Ooh. Love a blue crab, y'all. The seasoning is definitely there. Like I told y'all, I cooked these, but I was at my home house. I didn't make them at my house. And y'all know. Ooh, look at all this juice. Once them blue crabs go to soaking, and I had these soaking for like 2 days. like mind you, I cooked these the other day, like I said. Y'all, they're so good. Look at that crab. Look at that crab. Y'all, you so flavorful. So juicy. I sprinkled some Old Bay on top. Y'all, I love a good blue crab. How y'all doing today though? Okay. Today is Monday. Hope y'all starting y'all week off good. You know. Your girl is hungry. Hope y'all have been doing good. Hope y'all been doing great. Hope all has been going good with y'all. Okay. The month of May. Hope the month of May has been good to y'all. Look at that meat, y'all. Look at that meat in that crab. Yeah, I got some cocktail sauce. I'm gonna dip it in there. A little cocktail sauce on there. I can't lie. Y'all, my nails get real dirty because they're clear, like a pink clearish color. But anyways, they look extra dirty. Don't worry about it. It's the crab, but oh, I just got a shell stuck in my tooth. But if y'all see me looking up, don't worry about it. It's just the TV up there. Y'all look at this one. The cheese. The cheese. Y'all see that? Oh. mm. But y'all, the girl has not been doing nothing but working and chilling, living life. Okay, as we all need to. Dip it in that cocktail sauce. Mm. I love blue crab and cocktail sauce. It's so good. Or do I just love cocktail sauce? mm. Mm-mm-mm. Y'all, it's been a lot of good movies coming out lately. And I want to see that movie, I Love Boosters. I want to see that. I think that's going to be really good and funny. And for those of you who have saw it, y'all good. Y'all good. I don't know if I showed some movies to see, but Man Bad, we have it's like the little thing where you can see like the movies before they come out and see them. It's on there, but it's hard to get into it because a lot of people be on that app. A lot of people be on the app, so it's very hard for you to get into it. But yeah. Mhm. Y'all, these crabs so good. When I tell you these crabs so good, y'all know what ooh, that juice is sweet. It was. Y'all, I forgot my cucumber. Ooh. Forgot my cucumber. The juice is in here. I can't show y'all because. Okay, can you see? Look at the juice. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, these got a lot of cheese in it. That's, you know. Ooh. Oh wait, that thing's strong right there. That thing's strong, honey. Y'all look at that meat. Look at the meat in those. Can y'all see them? What the hell was that? Something fell. Did y'all hear that like I heard it? I'm really helping myself a little bit. But anyway, y'all. These crabs good as hell. Good as hell. I did that. Look at all that meat, y'all. Look at all that meat in them crabs. Can y'all see that? Oh, here you go. Now you see it. That one right there, that's a lot of meat. That's why that's heavy like that. You know? I'm trying to make sure my hair don't get in my food, okay? But I hope y'all been doing good. Because your girl has been doing good. You feel me? Just chilling, working, the same old shit, different day. I'm gonna dip that in some of that Old Bay that's on the side of my plate right there. Ooh. Y'all look at that with that good Old Bay on there. What? Oh, that look good. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Y'all, I really need my cucumber right now. For real. But you know what? Look how dirty my nails is, y'all, right? And I'm missing a nail, so don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Mm. But after this, y'all, I'm gonna take a good shower. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. I really want my cucumber. Mm. Y'all, I have Zephyrhills water. This is my ice cold too. Mm. Nice and cold. It's so good. Mm. My leg, that claw right there. See that claw? I'm gonna stop. I get juice all over my damn floor. And I'm pretty sure I got some down there already. I'm gonna have to mop. Wipe up the spot, something. Cause I ain't finna mop the whole floor for what? I'm not finna mop this whole floor tonight. Only the spot I dropped some shit. Cause my floor not dirty. It's that one spot. Mm. 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 Ooh. Mm. And I'm dropping shit on me, so guess what? Yes. ASAP, after I finish this, I'm gonna have to hop in the shower. Y'all, it's so good with that Old Bay. Dip it in that little bit of Old Bay on the side. I'll just wipe some of that off. You don't want too much. Now look at that. Look at this. Look at that. That look good. Y'all, I stuff all in my nails. Don't worry about it. Mm. Mm. That is so freaking good. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I see why people, y'all see how with my crossing time, I just take the leg and just stick it right up in there in the private part. Pull it back. Pull the apron back. The girl has the apron. The male has the penis. And then you pull that thing back. Not that much juice in that one, but very flavorful, very much so. Take the gills off, the lungs, the gills, the dead man, whatever you want to call it. Take all of that off, honey. Okay, clean that crap. Then you're left with this, okay? You're left with this. Break that thing. I like to break it in two, just like that. Y'all look how meaty these crabs is. Look at all that meat. Just look at all that meat. Just gotta clean it out. There's a lot of meat in there. We gotta put in some of that juice though, honey. Some of that flavor in that Old Bay. Yeah. That is what you call an Old Bay crab. That is so freaking good. Meat. More meat. Cocktail sauce. Ooh, I dropped a piece of meat. Oh my god. Dropping shit. Y'all, look at all this meat and this crab. Look at that. Look at that. Check it out, check it out. Oh, this crab's so freaking good. But y'all, that was shell. Don't y'all hate that? When you eat blue crabs, you get a little shell. But yes, y'all. I am going to see what type of movies we can watch tonight. Because that's what your girlfriend can do. Take a shower, wake up every day, and watch some TV and just chill. Probably have like another drink, a vodka drink. That's why I like to leave the TV on when I'm doing mukbangs, because I will keep looking at the TV instead of the camera. But y'all, this is so good. I'm like literally full. I'm gonna eat that. That's so good, y'all. Look at that. Oh shoot! Don't drop it now. Don't drop it. Y'all, we barbecued the other day, by the way, and I'm gonna be doing the other day, yesterday. So I got content to drop. I got a video drop with that. So, like, it's springtime. Maybe sometime. Is it sometime? It'll be summer. Well, today is June 1st, so I'm like, is people out for the summer? Is kids out? Almost, yeah, they are. But anyways, whatever. I don't have kids, so I don't really be knowing when the kids be out of school. I'm pretty sure, yeah, they are, because they graduated already. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna start my own garden. Ooh, what's up? Y'all, it's always a fly flutter with me. Mind you, I stay in Florida. It's always hot. Okay. It was literally raining off and on all day today. Off and on, off and on. Like, it was crazy. But yeah. So you're gonna deal with flies, honey. But now your house, damn, how that bitch get in here? Shit. It happens. Trust me. But yeah, y'all. What was I saying? Oh, this food's so good. I don't even give it in. But y'all, I'm about to take a nice shower. Ooh. Take a nice shower. Y'all know what other movie I want to see? I want to see a scary movie. The new one. I still haven't watched it. Ooh. But y'all, look at all my shells. I know y'all don't see that bullshit, but your girl got 3 crabs left, honey. Look at this one. We got 3 left. We got an egg. Let's bite the egg at least. At least bite the bitch. Did you at least pinch the bitch? Y'all look how little that egg is. Look at this egg. And it's because I took some of the yolk off when I peeled it. Some of the yolk came out, but that's funny because this is really, I mean the white stuff, yeah. But this is literally probably mostly yolk. Oh, bitch. It's good. I'm gonna put some in the cocktail sauce. That's pretty good. And y'all, with that being said, we're gonna save these 3. I'm gonna probably eat these off camera tomorrow for lunch or something like that. I don't know. Look at that pepper. Y'all, look how dirty my nails is. And I gotta fix this one, so don't even worry about it. But y'all, I need to wash my hands. I need to take a shower and get myself together. I need to take a good shower, get my nails soaked and some soap water. Just take a whole shower, basically, and get my shit together, okay? I'm about to clean up, mop up this little spot on my floor while I drop this doggone crab juice set. And yes, y'all, your girl is done. Let's take a sip of water. Woo, nothing like good H2O, y'all. Make sure y'all drink y'all water. If y'all don't do nothing, make sure y'all drink y'all H2O, okay? And yeah, y'all, this is the end of the video, and I love y'all so much. I missed y'all. I was like, let me go ahead and eat some blue crab, okay? And we got more videos coming, so y'all stay tuned. So I'm finna post it, then we're finna post another and another. Look at, fucking fly, y'all. It's fucking with me. Let me go ahead and get a shower and get this damn seafood away from me, so this damn fly leave me alone. But other than that, y'all, I love y'all so much. If you are new here, thank you so much for coming over here and joining your girl and just watching me and supporting my channel. I really appreciate any and everybody that clicks on my channel, because you didn't have to be here. You could have been there, you could have been there on anybody's channel, but you chose to come over here. So I really appreciate y'all. And yeah, make sure y'all hit that big thumbs up. Y'all, my nails look so nasty. I really need to go wash my hands and get my shit together, okay? But anyways, y'all know what's going on, so it don't matter. But yes, y'all, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all stay tuned. See y'all later. Bye. Peace.